This exceptional 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 comes equipped with a responsive 4.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a smooth shifting transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. This four-door crew cab truck has comfortable seats, 75,079 miles, and its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has 4 ventilated disc brakes, both driver and passenger side front airbags with integrated multi-stage deployment system and complex surface lens, halogen bulb headlights. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.